Always check first if there is a common factor for all the terms. In this case, 3, 30, and 75 are all divisible by 3. Now let us check if this second factor satisfies the conditions for being a perfect square trinomial. The first term n squared is a square. 25 is also a square. Take note that squares are always positive. Now it's time to check if the middle term also satisfies the condition. It must be twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms of the trinomial. Here we have 2 times n times 5 equals 10n. So yes, the middle term does satisfy the condition. And this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial. Therefore, we can factor this by using a shortcut. The factors can be written as a square of a binomial. Since the middle term of the trinomial is positive, we'll use plus as the operator in our binomial. And the terms are the square roots of the first and last terms of the trinomial. Therefore, the complete factors are 3 times the square of n plus 5, or 3 times n plus 5 times n plus 5.